Great pleasure to welcome you to my channel on Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video you are going to learn step by step on how to change your Facebook name without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are already new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content about Facebook topic, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive deeper into the tutorial and see step by step on how you can actually change your Facebook name without any stress. So let's welcome back, friends. So let's see how to change your Facebook name step by step tutorial. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your Facebook. I'm going to click on my Facebook right here. After you open up your Facebook account, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on these three dots right here. Now the next thing you want to do is to navigate to settings and privacy. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on settings. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here. Then click on profiles. Then select Facebook. Then click on name. Then enter your new name. Then enter your last name. Then review change. So right here you have it in different options. You can either choose Olamilekan Khalid or you choose Khalid Olamilekan. So I'm going to choose the second options right here. Then I'll click on save change. It has been changed successful, just like that. So this is how to change your Facebook name step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.